Alright guys, welcome to another elevator prank. And today, guess what we're gonna do?
Fart!
Alright, let's go.
What time are you gonna come over here? I thought that's what you were doing. Should I come pick you up?
No, it doesn't take that long.
Usually they like super glue and just glue it on.
Yeah.
I need to be like,
you?
like have like a broken,
You know?
have like
Oh, I
a
mean-
broken leg and be on the second floor.
Oh, like, yeah, while I'm recording?
Guys.
Yeah? Yeah, you do. Don't lie. I heard on you, man. I heard on you. What's fine?
So, my love.